Hey everyone, it's Mari. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I have another journal with me on my Hobonichi Weeks planner. This one is a little bit different because I actually haven't been streaming on Twitch for the past few weeks. I just had some things going on and I ended up not streaming. So what I did to sort of not fall behind too much in my journaling was I just sit down on my desk during a weekday and just film filmed at least one journaling spread, so I'm not too behind on my journaling. Um, and then because I had so much things going on in the background, I had a lot of background noises. I decided to just do a voiceover instead. So this way I'm able to catch up a little bit with my journaling, but also produce some content for YouTube as well. So let me know if this is the type of videos that you like, or if you prefer the ones that I'm streaming and then I edit it down for YouTube. Yeah, feel free to let me know which type of videos do you prefer. Also, I'm planning on getting back to streaming on Twitch soon. So if you want to catch me live and maybe chat a little bit while I do my journaling, feel free to stop by as well. I will leave the links in the description. But basically, that's what I wanted to do. Just, do at least one journaling page, just so I'm not too far behind. And this video is actually sped up 1.5 times, so it's just a little bit faster than what I usually do. But that's pretty much it. I usually just spend like 15 minutes, closer to 20 minutes maybe, on a journaling spread, and that is because I think I already mentioned in a past video, but that is because I usually just do pretty much the same things on my weeks. So I have the washes on the same place always. I always choose two pens for journaling, and so that makes my process very quicker than what I used to do before, which was I was doing a unique spread each week. Not that I don't like doing it, it's just that I'm kind of prioritizing keeping my journaling up to date rather than trying different things all the time. So if I have some time and if I'm inspired, I will absolutely try new things in that page, in that journaling page. But otherwise, I will just go to my default template, let's say, for journaling, and I think that's been working pretty well for me, particularly in journaling a little bit every week. So yeah, for this week, I chose these two washes. I was trying to look back on my past weeks and see what were the colors that I used. So I don't really like to repeat the same color over and over again in a short period of time. But at the same time, when I have too many weeks that I'm behind in my journaling, I just like to go to my to the colors that I like the most, which are usually pinks or light blues or grays. So for this week, I actually chose this washi from Doodlesdo Stickers. And then this thinner washi is a very old washi. I don't even know where it came from. But yeah, I just chose those two just because those are colors that I usually like to go to whenever I'm kind of behind in journaling and I don't want to think too much or overthink on my spread. And then for pens, I'm using a Pentel Fude pen or a brush pen, which is this light pink color. And I'm using a Sarasa vintage gel pen in gray. So this gray is actually a little bit darker than I wanted to. So it's almost black. But I kind of liked how it turned out anyways. And then for my doodles, each day I'm using, as always, a Tombow Fudenosuke in a hard nib. This is just the one that I prefer using. And that's pretty much it. I don't have anything different really for this week. As per usual, I like to go back to my monthly pages and see what I wrote down for each day. So I usually just jot a phrase or two in the monthly view just to remind myself what I want to journal about. And then I actually move those things to my weekly view. And then I can write a little bit more if I want to, or if I want to just write one word or one phrase to summarize what happened throughout the day. That's what I'll do. So that has been helping me a lot as well to, you know, remember what I want to journal about. It's a little bit repetitive, but in the end, it's helping me a lot, because by the time I get to journaling on Sunday, I always, you know, have forgotten already what happened during Monday or Tuesday. So this has been helping me a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Whenever I kind of in a rush or I don't have much to write about, I will just do what I'm doing here right now, which is I just write one word really big, and then I just fill out the rest of the space. Yeah, and I think that's the main reason I keep this journaling on a Hobonichi weeks as well, because I like to just quickly flip through it and see a summary of what happened during that week. I also have what I call a longhand journaling, which I write a lot every day, and that's great, but also it's kind of hard if I want to just get a quick glimpse of what happened throughout the week or throughout the month. So my Hobonichi weeks helps me a lot with that as well. So I can quickly see, for example, how often am I just writing regarding work, meaning that I'm not spending a lot of time doing things for myself, or how often do I feel sick, and things like that. So I like to journal on my Hobonichi weeks, mainly because of that. It's a quick way for me to see what I'm spending my time on. And that's it. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know if you also have some journaling and how do you use it. What's the strategy that you have? Do you like to write a lot? Do you like to just, you know, get a quick glimpse of what's going on in your life? Yeah, I would love to know. Leave a comment down below and share it with us. Yeah, I always like to see what other people are doing regarding journaling. So we'll probably go back to streaming on Twitch. I usually like to stream every Sunday, which is when I like to do my journaling. So if you would like to catch me live on Twitch, feel free to do so. I'm gonna leave again the link down below. Yeah, and it's fun. It's always fun talking to everyone and chatting and getting our help to choose my washes and my pens. So feel free to follow me there as well. And I hope for next time I'm gonna do just a compiled version of my Twitch streams, if I'm able to stream my next journaling over there as well. Otherwise, I'll do the same thing as I'm doing this week. I'll just record throughout the week and record a voiceover instead. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. I'll leave you to the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye!